So on today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this Earthquake XT. So the cat decided to give us some privacy. So let's go ahead and take a look at this Earthquake XT. This is a 20 volt max lithium battery style. It's a 1/2 inch cordless extreme torque impact wrench with extended anvil, and it's 1200 foot-pounds of breakaway torque is what this is. I ain't never used one of these before, but we will be trying it out in future videos. And, you know, I can give you a product review in a couple months after I used it for a while and put it through its paces. But let's unbox this, give you a detailed idea of what you get in the box, go over some of the specs that's here on the back of it. Yeah, let's just check it out. Now, these things are around $289, I think, is the retail price on these. You can get these from Harbor Freight, and you can sometimes find them at discounts. And if you're a membership of the little Harbor Freight thing, I think, or something, you can get another discount on them. So, makes them kind of affordable, but $300, this is equivalent to almost what a Milwaukee would cost, but the Milwaukee's going to cost about $100 and some more. But yeah, we see what we get and the quality we get at this price. So a detailed view of the box, and you will see it actually says 20 volt lithium max. It's a 1/2 inch cordless extreme torque impact wrench, 1200 foot-pounds. It says it here on the front, same thing on the side. On the back, it's got a 4.0 high capacity battery. It's got a battery gauge, they call a fuel gauge. It's got some warnings here. It tells you the specifications on this model, which down here is the model number. It's a 1/2 inch, 1200 foot-pounds breakaway. It weighs 7.3 pounds. It's got a 2-inch extended anvil to reach tight spots, bright LED light, all metal drivetrain and hammer, variable speed, anvil with friction ring for quick and easy socket changes. Now the friction rings, it's hit or miss for me because I've had tools before. The first thing that breaks on them is the friction ring for the socket. It's just something that I have never had luck out of. It's rubber mold for comfort, and I guess this is not a brushless type, you know, impact, because I know Milwaukee does got the brushless ones out. So let's go ahead and open this up. On the sides, it's got a very nice latching system here, and it does got one cable tie holding it. We will take this and cut the cable tie. Ugh, I need to sharpen this. First time I get to see one of these in person. They look pretty good on display. Okay, it's presented decent, I guess. It gives you a little bit of room inside the case. You get your owner's manual up here. Fits nicely in the case. I'll try to tilt this up so we get a better view at it. So the cable, power cable here for the charger is extremely long. I say it's about a 4-foot cable by just looking at it, just guessing. This is the charger. It's got some weight to it. I mean, it's a pretty heavy-duty feeling charger. Whoops. There's details on the charger, and you can hang it, which is a very good feature. Now, if you look over here on the case, it does got a spot for extra battery that you could add to it. It does not come in the kit, but that is something you can buy separate. This is the big boy here. God, that's heavy. This is every bit of 7 pounds, easy. 8 pounds probably. God, that's heavy. Oh, that feels very nice. How much torque does it got? Does it even got charge from the factory? The battery got 2 tabs on it. You mash these in to remove them and install them. It's a very tight fit, and it is charged. I don't see if you can see this, but that's the impact itself just twisting my wrist. So at the end of the day, it's very impressive to look at it. It does got a charge thing down here that's built on, I guess, to the battery. You hold the button in here. I don't know if you can see this. Shows we've got a full charge battery. The battery is very snug, fits very tight. I mean, if it does what it says on paper, then it's going to be a great impact, especially what's got this extending shaft here. I said shaft and I'm touching it. Let's get back to the video. You could be able to get into more tighter spaces with your sockets and stuff, because one of the problems I have when using bigger impacts like this is usually I can't get into where I need to because, whoops, this part gets in the way. Now it is speed controlled too by the trigger, and that is just the force from the impact moving my hand. So in future videos you will see us using this. I'm going to try it out and see if it does good. And maybe this Earthquake series is pretty good. Who knows? At the price point of this, I would not consider this a low-end impact at all. I would consider this more of a mid-tier. You know, a Milwaukee is like super high-end with the brushless series and stuff. And then you got maybe the Earthquake series, you know, and you buy a name. So truthfully, this could compare neck and neck to a Milwaukee. I can't tell you. I don't have a Milwaukee here to test, and that would be a lot of scientific numbers and stuff man would have to put them through, like which one gives the most torque, which one gives power output, how long a battery lasts. You know, maybe a heads-up video would be nice one of these days of a Milwaukee and one of the Earthquakes. The model number of this, again, is EQ12XTE-20 volt. Just in case you want to check one of these out yourself. I try to leave some more details in the description below, and you can check them out on specs and stuff. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'll see you next time. If you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching another one. I'll see you next time.